Hello everybody. Chris is out of the vlog because he's a douchebag. Don't.
Okay. Don't.
But no, seriously, I'm gonna
Can you
edit.
grab your mask?
Every time I leave the room, he asks, "Did you grab your mask?" I need to take a video of the view at nighttime tonight because I haven't did it. And tonight is our last night here. We went to the show. The show was amazing. It was just so much fun. Can you grab mine? And then I wasn't allowed to video in there or take pictures, but at the very end of the show, they said photo op, so, you know, take as much as you want at that point. And then we went to Bellagio and we won. We did pretty good.
Yeah.
And now we are going to meet up with his dad and his dad's fiance, and then we are gonna go and meet up with his parents and go on the gondola ride. This is what I have to deal with. He's a freak. What is that? That's a big, oh, look at that face. I'm funny. Anyways, so we just got done eating at Wolfgang Puck with my my mom and Chris, and now we are back in the hotel. We're gonna be going back out. We did some shopping and everything, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys our view at nighttime. Look how pretty this is. The window is quite dirty. We've been drinking, okay? We've been drinking. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. So my sister and brother-in-law, that is so dark in here. Oh, holy cows, there was a light up there the whole time. They got us this peanut butter whiskey. Yeah, I've been drinking that. Chris hasn't had any. But yeah, so this is, I was trying to pack, okay? And yeah, but here is the strip.
And if you guys want to tune in at 8 p.m., we're going to show you what the jacuzzi tub looks like. Just the two of us.
It's been just an amazing day for all of us. But yeah, so what are we gonna do now, hun?
We go get messed up.
We're gonna go drink and gamble. I think we're gonna go to the Excalibur, which is that building right there.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go there.
With
And-
the clown hats.
With the clown hats? Who's that? My parents?
No.
Oh, I thought he was saying my parents were clowns. But yeah, we're gonna go over there. We're gonna do some gambling. I need to find some medicine for my head because my head is just pounding right now. It's like my sister is on an airplane right now going from Salt Lake City back to Colorado. My niece is in Minneapolis and she's taking a plane from Minneapolis to Bemidji. So, and then there is his parents that are about to get on the plane from Vegas here to go to Minneapolis. So all like 3 parties that came to Vegas, they're all like flying right now, which I thought was kind of cool. And I probably think it's cool because I'm drunk. But if I wasn't drunk, I would probably not think it was that cool. My brother and nephew and all of them, they are they're driving. We don't know where. And then there is my parents and Chris and I who are still in Vegas right now. And yeah, gonna live it up for the last night until we go home tomorrow. Right?
Huh?
Right?
What?
Right? Do you think we make a good couple? Like, do you think that we make a cute couple? Do you think we do?
I do.
Hon, well, look at us. Tell me if you think that, like, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
I find it hard to look at you, Juanette.
What is that?
Name that movie.
What is it? I don't know. It's going to bother me.
You juke it up.
Oh my God. Okay. Do you think we make a cute couple? Oh, I hate
At least you don't have your taste.
But okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog tonight. I feel like I do a lot of like sightseeing, you know, like I show you guys when I'm walking, like what I'm seeing. But when I get to a certain like we get to our destination, I don't vlog anymore until the night's over, because you know, a lot of the time we're gambling. So like, who wants to watch that? But anyways, so yeah, that's all I have to say. We'll see you guys on the flip side.
Because you fuckers won't give us a fridge. It's just one of those things they're going to have to understand, or otherwise we're going to have a misunderstanding.
So why don't you tell the people what you just did and what's gonna cost us an arm and a leg when we check out?
So here's what I did. Our fridge isn't our fridge. It's the casino's fridge, okay? It's mini fridge is what it is. And it's mini, it's tiny. You get 2 rows of shit. So I go to cram my fucking pizza box in there, and it doesn't fit. I was thinking about, do I just send it? Figured maybe not, because it'll end up in the hall. So then I took a little page out of the old Fridge at Home's book and realized you could remove the side door trays. And then I whipped my pizza box up on its side like that and shut the door. And now it's gonna be delicious later.
He did not even take just the cans out. He took the damn shelves out.
You gotta.
Like, you're not supposed to touch the fridge.
What's the difference?
He took the shelves out, you guys. What time is it? We're off to the next casino. Okay, so we woke up this morning. I got room service and we packed up and then we went down and gambled for a little bit, and now it is noon, so we are going to be checking out of our room. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We learned a lot about Vegas, of like where we would want to stay the next time we come and everything, but I think overall I would say I had fun. Did you have fun, Chris?
Yeah, for the most part, I would say.
We're both really tired. We're gonna bring our luggage downstairs, get into the limo, and go to the airport. At the airport, waiting for Sun Country to open. Chris is going to the bathroom. There's the folks. You've never played this? Isn't this always the same? To her. What do we want to bet? $1.80.
I wonder what Players Club card you were supposed to use for. Or if they just have their own.
It's like the TikTok hide.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to